Today, we're diving deep into the latest buzz surrounding Canon's upcoming powerhouse in the mirrorless camera market, the highly anticipated Canon EOS R9. With leaks and industry speculation gaining momentum, all eyes are on Canon as they prepare to redefine the mid-tier full-frame mirrorless camera segment. While there has been no official confirmation from Canon, rumors suggest that the EOS R9 could be the successor to the beloved Canon EOS RP, bridging the gap between high-end features and affordability. At the core of the rumored Canon EOS R9 is an advanced 33-megapixel full-frame sensor. This sensor is expected to deliver breathtaking image quality, ensuring vibrant colors, superior low-light performance, and remarkable detail retention. Full-frame sensors have long been the go-to for professionals due to their ability to capture more light, minimize noise, and enhance dynamic range. The 33-megapixel resolution is an ideal balance, providing exceptional clarity without generating excessive file sizes. Whether you're capturing intricate textures, sweeping landscapes, or compelling portraits, this sensor could be a game-changer. Another standout feature is Canon's cutting-edge dual-pixel autofocus 2 technology, rumored to be included in the EOS R9. Renowned for its fast and precise subject tracking, DPF2 ensures sharp focus even in fast-paced scenarios. Whether photographing wildlife in motion, high-speed sports events, or dynamic street photography, the EOS R9 is expected to deliver unparalleled autofocus accuracy. Content creators and videographers will also benefit, as this autofocus system enables seamless transitions and crisp subject isolation in video recordings. Speaking of video, the Canon EOS R9 is rumored to boast impressive recording capabilities. Reports suggest uncropped 4K video at 30 frames per second, allowing creators to maximize their field of view without sacrificing quality. Additionally, slow-motion enthusiasts could have access to 4K at 60 FPS and Full HD at 120 FPS, perfect for capturing dramatic motion sequences. Whether filming cinematic scenes, action-packed sports, or creative storytelling projects, the EOS R9 could be a powerful tool for video professionals and aspiring filmmakers alike. For those who specialize in high-speed action photography, the Canon EOS R9 is rumored to feature burst shooting of up to 30 frames per second with continuous autofocus. This rapid-fire capability makes it easier to freeze split-second moments with precision. Imagine capturing an athlete at the peak of their jump, a race car speeding across the track, or a fleeting expression in a street portrait, all with impeccable sharpness and clarity. Low-light performance is another area where the EOS R9 is expected to shine. With its full-frame sensor and Canon's latest DiGac processor, photographers should be able to push ISO settings higher while retaining detail and minimizing grain. Shooting in dimly lit environments such as nightscapes, indoor events, or astrophotography could become significantly more manageable. The combination of advanced noise reduction algorithms and high ISO performance ensures photographers get the best results even in challenging lighting conditions. The usability features of the Canon EOS R9 are also rumored to be top-notch. High-resolution electronic viewfinder could provide an immersive, true-to-life preview, while a fully articulating touchscreen makes it easier to compose shots from creative angles. This flexibility is especially beneficial for vloggers, content creators, and solo filmmakers who rely on self-recording setups. Canon's RF lens compatibility is another exciting aspect, giving users access to a growing range of high-quality glass. However, with an adapter, the EOS R9 is expected to support EF lenses as well, ensuring that photographers can use their existing collection without limitations. This dual compatibility offers flexibility, whether upgrading from a DSLR or expanding a mirrorless kit. Connectivity is another area where the Canon EOS R9 is rumored to excel. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will enable seamless file transfers, making it easier to share content directly to social media, cloud storage, or client platforms. In today's digital era, this level of integration is essential for professionals who need to streamline their workflow and deliver content faster. One of the most anticipated additions to the EOS R9 could be in-body image stabilization. If included, this feature would significantly improve handheld shooting by reducing camera shake, making it ideal for both photography and videography. Stabilization is crucial for capturing sharp images in low-light conditions, handheld telephoto shots, or smooth cinematic video sequences. This could position the EOS R9 as a serious contender for hybrid shooters who need a versatile, all-in-one device. Beyond the core specifications, additional rumors hint at an improved battery system, allowing for extended shooting sessions. Whether you're filming a long event, conducting an outdoor photo shoot, or traveling to remote locations, enhanced battery life could be a crucial advantage. Moreover, improved weather sealing is expected to make the EOS R9 more resilient against dust, moisture, and extreme conditions, a must-have for adventure photographers and outdoor enthusiasts. While Canon has yet to officially announce a release date, industry speculation suggests a potential launch in 2025. If these rumors prove accurate, the Canon EOS R9 could redefine expectations for mid-tier mirrorless cameras, offering a compelling blend of high performance, portability, and affordability. Whether you're a seasoned professional, an emerging creator, or someone looking to upgrade from an older model, the EOS R9 could be the perfect tool to bring your creative vision to life.